That's our ferry. We're going to Mykonos. Bye-bye, bus.
So, I mean, whichever one sinks, let's go to the other one.
Yeah, right. Maybe we'll be okay if we jump. Huh. It's actually kind of high. Woo!
You can feel the breeze of the water.
Ooh, there's water droplets too. Bye, Athens!
So, I was hoping we get to come up some.
I had no idea it was so easy. I kind of thought we were trapped in our seat. Oh man!
Just sit out here all day.
We're on our way to Mynkonos. Autobahn! Yes, friend.
Don't you put that up there.
Oh, too late. The ferry moves. It rocks a little bit. It's totally fun. One of the women in the group, she gave me some anti-seasickness things to put behind my ear. It was like, oh, I'm so glad she did, because I've had some problem before in other places, but this is fantastic. I'm going to walk across the platform here. Oh, there's Athens. We're on a speedboat. Seriously, it's going to take us 3 hours to get to Mynkonos. Let's sit here. Tourists. We're all just tourists. Hey, honey. This is the city of Steros. I'm not sure the name of the island, but we are stopping here and then we're going to move on to Mykonos.
Oh, yeah, it does feel really.
Yes, Dee. We're getting off the ferry. Walking distance, 10 minutes walking distance from the Mykonos town. Mykonos town, it is also called Hora. Okay, so we can say let's go to Hora or let's go to Mykonos town, and we mean the same thing. Okay, good. In Mykonos town, which is located in front of us and to the right, uh, it's not allowed cars inside. So what is going to happen when we come to visit Mykonos now is that the bus is going to leave us at the old port, as we call it, and we are going to walk. So now when we get at the hotel, it's 5 10 minutes, no more. We are going to leave our suitcases and anything that you don't want to carry with you, because you want to carry with you. Okay. Good. I will tell you also where is. Hey, Lenny. Here we are in Mykonos.
Bye.
Bye. Here comes the motorcycle. Everybody watch out. Oh, Senya. No, it doesn't. Bougainvilleas. And we're still walking.
Doing both.
Oh, look, there's Coca-Cola. We need a Coca-Cola. Oh, how precious. I love this. We're on a walking tour now that we're in Mynkonos. We're getting our grounding and figuring out what we're going to do. And tomorrow, Cindy and I are going to go to Delos. I think there's other adventurers that want to go there too.
Oh, I'm hungry right now.
And then let's go shopping.
Let's go. Hello.
Senior, here's some bags too. Look how cute they are.
I look.
Oh, okay.
Don't worry.
And the jewelry? Oh. Oh, we.
Look at this jewelry, Mom.
Yes, what a display.
Damn. Oh, great.
Grapes. Look at the homemade pasta. Fantastic. And the cutesy cutesy dresses. That's so cute. That is so cute. I'm too old now. Unless I just wear it at home. Just for myself.
Mom, I'm loving it. I like this.
Yes, it is. Well, it's just different.
Different is the right word.
Different.
I like different.
Oh, that's so awesome.
It feels safer here.
Well, of course. And the graffiti isn't everywhere. Everything is white. Oh, look, it's a little Greek goddess, little girl dresses. So cute. Oh, yes. Gelato.
The next way Yerula fez parte sardo. Kırla. Ne. Está onde já não tem, na sala vai para. Ah, perfect.
Can we set alarm clock for
2:30?
Haydi.
We are in Mynkonos, and we have finally settled down to something to eat. I'm going to get the fried calamari in honor of my husband, and Senya is going to get. What are you going to get, Senya? Savlaki, like what was it? Beef or pork? Pork skewered savlaki. And we are sitting here at the port of Mykonos, and we did a little shopping and bought only a couple little things, and I am going to show you where we are right now. It is a beautiful town. I didn't anticipate it to be so beautiful. I kind of had this vision that it was all fancy and super expensive. But everybody here is super friendly and super laid back. And I'm very, very excited once again to be in another Greek location. So our little appetizer is some pizza bread with olive oil and some tomato paste. It's soft. It feels crunchy.
It's olive.
It's olives.
It's not. Yeah.
Oh, that is mushed up olives. Okay, it has arrived. Fried calamari. This is Senya's. Look at how beautiful that is.
The
Slovakia.
fries are funny.
The fries, try them.
Oh, okay. They look like the actual McDonald's fries.
Oh, you wanted McDonald's fries once. She is going to be changed forever. Mm-hmm. Yay! Mynkonos! Mm. Mm. That is some fresh calamari. Oh my gosh, that is so good. It was just every bite was easy. There was no chewy, there was no what's that rubbery thing? Oh, it was just perfect. And a light batter and the lemon, just a nice little hit. And here, I believe this is an arugula. That's fresh. It's not arugula. I'm not sure what it is. But it's green and it's good and yay. Oh, okay. Tentacles.
Mmm.
Ah.
Mmm.
Mm.
I agree. It was very good. Yeah.
Alright, you guys get in. Look. Yeah, get in. This is our hotel.
We're below you, kind of. We're to the left. Oh, actually, we're not below you at all. It's so beautiful. Not going to the pool.
It's our pool. Oh yeah, I got my suit on.
What?
I got my suit on.
I'm busy to get mine on. Y'all going to this one or the one in the back?
Which one's bigger?
The one in the back.
You want you we should go to that one?
That one is awesome.
Hey, stop!
See you
See you soon. Yes. Oh goodness, this is where we're staying. This is so sweet. It's just absolutely sweet. Again. Oh, I'm gonna go up there. We're on the bottom floor. Oh, that's the pool. Nice. This is a resort. There's the hot tub. There's 2 more hot tubs. Holy sakes alive. Mark, where's my hot tub, honey? Where's my hot tub? Oh, absolutely beautiful. Yes. Okay, let's go back down. Hi. Hello. Yeah. Okay. It's our room. It's the bathroom.
Mama,
Yes, honey.
where's the pool in the back?
Go up those stairs
Okay.
and look. Another beautiful toilet. This one at least has a window. Same kind of shower setup as all the others too. Floor is probably not slippery like that other place was. That was kind of weird. Excuse the mess. We just got here. We just got our stuff out. We're gonna do some laundry. We have 2 twin beds. They have provided coffee. Anything? Yes. That's awesome. A chair. Look at that lighting. It's so awesome. We have a nice mirror. And then this is our own private deck. Yes. It's another little pool. They have 3 pools here. Lounging. Morning coffee. Yeah, that's right, kid. You jump in there. Good job. Welcome to Mynkonos. Bye. Bye. We're here for sunset and moonrise. Hi. Good. It's all good. That one was moving fast. Thank you for watching, everybody. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. And thank you for loving travel as much as we do.